Hello students, welcome back to lecture 2 of Arithmetic Progression series. So today also we will be solving 10 questions of this arithmetic progression. So and these all are PYQs. So let's see the first question. It is the question is like that: you have given first 3 terms of an AP and all the terms are in Y and you have to find the value of Y, correct? So if I write an AP, this is in the form of 3y minus 1, 3y plus 5 and 5y plus 1, so on. If it is an AP, तो इनका जो common difference होगा वो बराबर होगा. You can say this is A1, A2, A3. तो common difference is A2 minus A1 और A3 minus A2, correct? तो ये दोनों बराबर होने चाहिए. तो A2 माइनस A1 क्या है आपका 3y प्लस 5 माइनस 3y माइनस 1 और A3 माइनस A2 क्या है 5y प्लस 1 माइनस 3y प्लस 5. ठीक है, तो दोनों को बराबर कर दीजिए. 3y प्लस 5 माइनस 3y माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 5y प्लस 1 माइनस 3y plus 5. Now open it. 3y plus 5 minus 3y plus 1 equals to 5y plus 1 minus 3y minus 5. This will get cancelled. This is equal to 6. This is equals to 2y minus 4. 2y is equals to 6 plus 4. Y equals to 10 by 2. That is 5. The value of y is 5. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now the next question is asking that what is the next term of an AP given root 7, root 28 and root 63. If your AP is like this, root 7 and root 28 and then root 63 and so on, correct? Here the A is your root 7, okay, and D is your root 28. You can write it as 7 into 4. So here this is root 4 into root 7, that is 2 root 7. D is 2 root 7. Now the first term, second term, third term, fourth term you have to find out. So fourth term is A plus 3D. Correct. A is your root 7 plus 3, D is your 2 root 7. Correct. So this would be root 7 plus 6 root 7, that is 7 root 7. Okay. Correct. So your answer is 7 root 7. Okay. इसमें एक गलती हुई है. D is your difference between these two terms. So D I have taken wrongly, correct? So we can omit this. So here the D is D equals to A2 minus A1. Okay. So this would be root 28 minus root 7. Correct. So this is 7/4 minus root 7. So this comes around 2 root 7 minus 7. So this is root 7 only. Okay. So here you can write D is your root 7. So 3D. So D will be root 7, that is 4 root 7. Or you can say 16 into 7. This is 1, 1, 2. So the next term is 1, 1, 2. Okay. Chaliye, next है. Now the third question is asking that an AP is given having the terms, first term is k, second is 2k minus 1 and third is 2k plus 1. Then you have to find the value of k, correct? So your AP is k 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1, so on. So this is your A1, this is your A2, this is your A3. Okay, so D is your A2 minus A1, that is 2k minus 1 minus k, that is k minus 4. Same, D will be A3 minus A2. Okay, so A3 is 2k plus 1 minus 2k minus 1, that is 2k plus 1 minus 2k plus 1. This is 2. So both are equal, this first and second. So k minus 1 equals to 2. So k is 3. The value of k is here 3. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Now this question is asking that you have to find the common difference of an AP where it is given. AP is given to you. The AP is 1 by 2b, the first term, 1 minus 6b by 2b, second term, and the third term is by 2b. Okay, so on. So this is your first term, this is your second term, and this is your third term. Okay, so you can find out either way. So see, the difference is A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 6b by 2b minus 1 by 2b. Okay, taking LCM 2b, this would be your 1 minus 6b minus 1. This will get cancelled. This is minus 6b by 2b, bb will get cancelled. This is minus 3. So your difference, common difference is minus 3. Okay. Done. Let's move to the next question. Now again, it is the same type of question. An AP is given and he is asking about your common difference, correct? So first write down the AP, that is 1 by 3, 1 minus 3b by 3 and 1 minus 6b by 3, so on. So A1 is given, A2 is given and A3 is given. You have to find the common difference. Because it is an AP, you don't need to find out A2 minus A1, then again you need to find out A2 minus A3. That would be the checking of whether it is right or wrong. So better go for the easiest one, A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3b by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take the LCM, this is 1 minus 3b minus 1. So this get cancelled, you will left with minus 3b by 3, correct? So this will get cancelled and the D is your minus b. The common difference is minus b. Okay. Then let's move to the next question. Now you have to find out the common difference of an AP, correct? And your AP is given. So the AP is 1 by 2q, 1 minus 2q by 2q, 1 minus 4q by 2q, so on, correct? So you have to find the difference. This is first term, this is second term and this is third term. You have to find the common difference, that is A2 minus A1, okay, 1 minus 2q by 2q minus 1 by 2q, correct? Taking the LCM, 1 minus 2q minus 1. This will get cancelled. You are left with minus 2q by 2q. That will cancel out. You will have minus 1. So your common difference is minus 1. Okay. So 3 questions of similar kind, and now you this all 3 questions were PYQs. So better keep practicing. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now coming to the 7th question, it is in an AP if the common difference is given to you, that is minus 4, and the 7th term is also given, that is 4, then find the value of the first term. Okay, so given is your D is minus 4 and A7 is your 4. That means A plus 60 equals to 4. You have to put the value of D here. So 6 minus 4 equals to 4, correct? So this is minus 24 plus 4 and this will be 4 plus 24, correct. So A is your 28. The first term is 28. Okay. Now the question 8 is asking you have to find out the nth term. You have to find out the an of an AP, correct. So the AP is given to you, that is 1 by m, 1 plus m by m and 1 plus 2m by m, correct. So the first term of an AP is 1 by m, and the common difference, that is d, if it is a1, a2, a3, so d would be a2 minus a1, correct. That is 1 plus m by m minus 1 by m. So this comes around, taking this thing, m by m, that is 1. So your d is 1, correct. D is 1 and A is this thing. Then you have to find the nth term. Nth term is A plus n minus n d. A is given 1 by m plus n minus 1 into 1. Okay. This is your nth term. Okay. You can make it more representable. This is your nth term. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Now the ninth question is asking that what is the value of k for which the consecutive terms, consecutive means coming one after another, is will form an AP. Okay. So let's that if it is an AP, 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1, and this would be your first term, second term and third term. That means D is a2 minus a1. It would be 3k plus 3 minus 2k plus 1, correct. So 3k plus 3 minus 2k minus 1. So this is 2. 3k minus 2k is k. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct. The second is a3 minus a2. a3 is your 5k minus 1 minus a2 is 3k plus 3. So this is 5k minus 1 minus 3k minus 3. That is 2k minus 4. Correct. This is first and this is second. Equating both, because this is a common difference, it will be equal k plus 2, 2k minus 4, k minus 2k minus 4 minus 2 minus k equals to minus 6. The k is 6. The value of k is 6. Okay. तो अगर value of k is 6 तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13. Correct. 6 3 is 18, 21 and 30, 29. Correct. So this will be the, and common difference will be 8. Correct. Now let's move to the 10th question. Now coming to the 10th question, that is the last question of this lecture 2. So we have to find the 9th term from the end, not from the starting. Correct. So for that we have to understand how many numbers n are there. So the AP is given to you, that is 5, 9, 13 and so on. It is n to 185. Correct. So A is given 5 and D is 9 minus 5, that is 4. AN is also given, that is last term 185. Now first find out how many terms are there. 185, 5 plus n minus 1, D is 4. Okay, so this is 185 minus 5 equals to 4n minus 4, that is 180 plus 4 equals to 4n, and n is your 184 by 4, that is 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. So there are 46 terms. correct? And you have to find out the 9th term from the last. That means you have to go back 8 places to achieve the 9th term from the end. So this 46 minus 8, how much it is? 38. 30th term would be. So from the beginning it is 30th term, correct? Because total terms are 46, you have to find out the 9th term from the end. That means you have to go 8, you have to miss 8 steps, 8 terms, then you will get with the 38th term, correct? So 38th term is your 9th term from the end and 38th from the beginning. This is A plus 37D. A is given 5, 37 into 4, correct? 5 plus 7 4s are 28, 8 4s is 12, 13 14, this is 8 13 153, correct? So your 30th term is 153 and it is also 9th term from the end. Okay, so we have completed 10 questions of lecture 2, and simultaneously we will be giving more questions in coming lectures. So as of now, for today, that's it. Thank you very much.